Hi everyone, this story is about being a builder. If you are researching construction worker, this is the word we're going to use, builder, in this book, but I want you to think construction worker. So it's called I Want to Be a Builder. I Want to Be a Builder by Dan Liebman. Builders like putting things together. Builders are also called construction workers. They work as a team. So you have to like putting things together, and you have to like working as a team. They build houses, apartment buildings, and office buildings. Some builders work high above the ground. Builders don't only build buildings. These builders are putting up a bridge. Other builders build highways and roads. And some builders build ships. Builders like working outdoors, and they like working together. This builder drives a digger. A digger is a machine that moves a lot of soil quickly. Moves a lot of stuff on the ground, dirt, anything that's there. When you start construction, you dig a deep hole. This hole is called the foundation. Builders use plans. Plans show how the building is constructed. Okay, so there's some things in this picture of what builders have. I see some hats, I see some goggles, I see a measuring tape and a pencil, and I see some plans. All builders must be very careful and pay attention to safety signs. They wear helmets and safety boots. Builders hang their tools from their belts. All right, I see more things that a builder might have. Builders need to be strong to do heavy work. So that is something they are. They are strong. It's a long way up. That's why builders use ladders and lifts. I would say builders have to be brave too, because they have to go so high. Every member of the building team has an important job to do. This carpenter works with wood. Oh, I notice she's wearing headphones. She must be around some loud machines. Builders learn their skills in school and on the job. Apprentice builders earn money while they learn. Building a log house requires special skills. These men are putting up a wall. Being a builder is hard work. These builders are very proud of the job they do. And maybe someday you would like to be a builder. Hope you enjoyed learning about builders.